Today, we will learn the fastest method of finding HCF. Find HCF of 48 and 18 using division method or Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 48 by 18, we get 2 as the quotient and 12 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 12 becomes the new divisor and 18 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 18 by 12, we get 1 as the quotient and 6 as the remainder. Again, repeat step 2. In this case, 6 becomes the new divisor and 12 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 12 by 6, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 48 and 18 is 6. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.